So today we've got another vowel digraph. That's when you have two vowels together, and today it's the double E making the E sound. Hopefully today it should be a straightforward one. So remember, you've got to have double E in the middle, and if you've done that, you've got a pretty good chance of getting everything right. Okay, let's go. So the first word is feed. I feed the dog, I feed the children, when you give somebody something to eat. Okay. Number 2, feet. I have 1 foot, but I have 2 feet. Okay. The next word, keen. If you're very enthusiastic about something and you want to succeed, you say, I am keen. Keen. Okay. Number 4, meet. Let's meet at the cinema. Let's meet on the corner of the street. Wherever you want to meet is the word. Okay, next one. Need. I need a coffee. I need a new car. I need a pen. I need some life-saving treatment. Need. Okay. We're up to number 6 now. Sheet. Well, of course, you have a sheet on a bed. You can have a sheet of paper. You can have a sheet of metal. It's anything that's sort of flat and sheet-like. Okay, sheet. Next one, speech. So you can say, I have speech problems, if you stutter or something, or you can say, I am making a speech when someone's talking to you. Okay, next one. The last one, in fact, is street. Important word to know. Many of us live on a street, so try and make sure you can spell this word correctly. Alright, and let's have a look down the words. You should have double E in the middle. And now let's spell those words for you. Okay, so the first word was feed. So you should have F-E-E-D. Okay. Number 2, feet. F-E-E-T. Number 3, keen. K-E-E-N. Number 4, meet. M-E-E-T. Meet. Number 5, need. N-E-E-D. Okay. Number 6, sheet. S-H-E-E-T. Okay. Okay. The next one could be a bit trickier actually. Speech. S-P-E-E-C-H. Okay. And finally, important word. Make sure you can spell this word. You often have to send places to here. Street. S-T-R-E-E-T. Okay. Have I got those words? Put them in some sentences, and check you can spell them by looking at my list at the end. Okay. Thanks very much. Bye.